Hi, this is Scott Truesdale with MarineMax here in Brick, New Jersey. This is a newly listed 2021 400 SLX outboard, purchased from this store and kept locally. This boat was ordered with a full teak throughout the cockpit, bow area, and swim platform. The owner also opted to equip it with triple 400 Verados. You know, she also has a Simrad radar and FLIR. Let's climb aboard. Nice teak cockpit table. This boat's equipped with twin grill, refrigerator. Notice the twin screens. There's a Simrad VHF, your joystick with skyhook, Lenco auto trim tabs, and SEAKEEPER. Moving up to the bow, again, full natural teak. There is a bow table comes with this boat. And standard windlass. Moving on down into the cabin. This V-berth table converts into a sleeper. You have TV, refrigerator, microwave. And a mid-berth is about the size of a king bed. This duffel bag contains a full enclosure that's never been used. Or I should say three-piece enclosure, it's never been used. And spacious head. Should you have any additional questions or you'd like to make a time to come see this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Brick. My name is Scott Truesdale and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you for taking the time to see this video.